The Google Pixel 9a is making waves in the tech community, with a recent leaked image giving us a sneak peek at its potential design. While the image lacks high resolution, it gives us a glimpse of what Google might have in store for its upcoming budget-friendly smartphone. From the looks of it, the Pixel 9a will carry over much of the design language from the previous model, with no major changes in sight. One key feature that seems to remain consistent is the screen-to-body ratio, which for the Pixel 8a was kept lower than some other high-end devices to help keep costs down. If you look closely at the leaked render, you'll see that the overall shape of the phone resembles the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro. It has rounded edges, which is consistent with the sleek look that Google has become known for. The front-facing camera, however, appears to be larger than what we saw on the Pixel 8a, and we also spot antenna lines running along the sides. These changes hint at improvements in connectivity, which is always a welcome feature for smartphone users. One interesting detail that stands out in the leaked image is the wallpaper shown on the screen. This particular wallpaper belongs to a new collection, Swirling Petals, which hasn't been seen on any other current Pixel devices. While this might seem like a small detail, Google's custom wallpapers often serve as a subtle hint to new hardware features or design elements. As for the Pixel launcher, the software interface that controls the home screen layout, it looks virtually unchanged from previous models. This isn't surprising, as Google generally releases significant software updates alongside major flagship launches, so we can expect Android updates to follow suit with the Pixel 9a. Looking at the bezels, the left, right, and bottom edges appear to have similar thickness, while the top bezel seems a little thicker. If this turns out to be true, it suggests that the Pixel 9a will maintain a display design similar to its predecessors. The Pixel 8 had a screen-to-body ratio of 81.6%, which is relatively low compared to premium devices like the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which boast a ratio of 91.4%, or the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra with a 92.5% ratio. These high-end devices are designed to minimize bezels as much as possible, creating a more immersive display experience. In contrast, Google appears to prioritize value for money in its mid-range offerings, accepting thicker borders to keep the price within reach for more consumers. Google's strategy with the Pixel A series has always been to offer a great smartphone experience at a budget-friendly price. While some users may prefer the trend of thinner bezels and more screen real estate, the Pixel series is more about delivering on core aspects like software experience, camera performance, and long-term value. Even with slightly thicker bezels, the Pixel 9a is likely to offer an excellent user experience that emphasizes these strengths, making it a great choice for those who don't want to break the bank. This strategy is a proven one for Google. The Pixel A series has consistently impressed users with its camera capabilities, clean Android interface, and solid overall performance. These features are often more valuable to users who don't need the absolute latest in design trends, but instead are looking for a reliable, no-nonsense smartphone. As we look ahead to the Pixel 9a, it's safe to assume that it will follow in the footsteps of its predecessors, continuing the trend of offering high-end software and solid hardware at an affordable price point. The Pixel 9a may not offer groundbreaking changes in terms of design. It is likely to be a solid performer for those seeking a smartphone that offers great value for money. If the Pixel 9a keeps its focus on the essentials, such as camera quality and software experience, it will no doubt continue to attract budget-conscious buyers. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Your support helps us keep bringing you the latest tech updates and in-depth analysis. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Are we finally on the verge of the official One UI 7 release? For the past few months, Samsung users have been eagerly waiting for the next big software update, but only Galaxy S24 series owners have had access to the beta version. Meanwhile, millions of other users have been stuck on Android 14 with One UI 6.1, watching from the sidelines, but the long wait might be ending very soon. Samsung has not officially announced an exact release date, but several signs indicate that the update could arrive in the next few days. One of the biggest clues comes from the upcoming launch of the Galaxy S25 series. These new flagship devices will ship with One UI 7 pre-installed, and they are set to go on sale worldwide on February 7. It is highly likely that Samsung has been holding back the stable One UI 7 release to avoid shifting attention away from the Galaxy S25 series launch. Once the new devices are in the hands of consumers, Samsung might finally roll out the update for other eligible Galaxy smartphones. Another major hint is the stability of the latest One UI 7 beta for the Galaxy S24 lineup. The final beta versions are performing smoothly, which suggests that Samsung has completed most of the testing and fine-tuning required before making the update available to everyone. Additionally, there have been reports claiming that Samsung plans to begin the rollout in the first half of February. If these leaks are accurate, then users might not have to wait much longer. One UI 7 is one of the biggest updates Samsung has released in recent years. It brings significant improvements in speed, security, and overall usability. While Samsung has yet to provide a full list of changes, the beta versions have already given us a preview of what to expect. Users can look forward to a smoother interface, new customization options, and several performance optimizations designed to make devices feel more responsive. However, not all features will be available for every device. The Galaxy S25 series will come with some exclusive features that won't be included in the update for older models. Two of the standout additions are Now Brief and Audio Eraser. Now Brief is a smarter notification system that helps users manage alerts more efficiently, while Audio Eraser is a powerful tool that allows users to remove background noise from recordings. These features will be exclusive to the Galaxy S25 lineup, meaning they won't be available for the Galaxy S24 series or other older Galaxy devices. If you've owned a Galaxy smartphone and have been eagerly waiting for One UI 7, now is the time to stay alert. Samsung may begin pushing out the update any day now. When the rollout begins, users will likely receive a notification prompting them to download and install the update. However, as with all major software releases, the update will probably be released in phases. This means that while some users might receive it immediately, others may have to wait a little longer, depending on their device model and region. To check if your device is eligible for One UI 7, go to your phone's settings, navigate to Software Update, and tap Download and Install. If the update is available for your device, you will see an option to download it. If not, don't worry. Samsung usually rolls out updates gradually, so keep checking regularly. With One UI 7, Samsung is bringing a more refined and polished experience to its users. Whether it's the improved performance, enhanced security, or new software features, this update is set to make a noticeable difference in everyday use. While it has taken longer than expected, it's clear that Samsung has been working hard to deliver a stable and feature-rich update. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more news on the latest technology. Stay tuned and we'll catch you in the next video. Can a smartphone truly compete with high-end gaming devices? That's exactly what Samsung set out to prove with its latest powerhouse, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And what better way to showcase its capabilities than with a high-stakes Call of Duty mobile tournament? On January 25, Samsung hosted the third #PlayGalaxy Cup in San Francisco, bringing together some of the most skilled mobile gamers and top video game streamers. The event featured a fierce competition between two elite esports teams, Tribe Gaming and Luminosity Gaming. These players didn't just rely on their skills. They were armed with Samsung's latest flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, along with Galaxy Buds 3 earbuds and JBL Quantum One headphones for an immersive audio experience. The energy at the venue was electric. More than 250 fans packed the arena, watching every intense battle unfold on a massive screen at the center. For those who couldn't be there in person, the entire event was streamed live on YouTube and Twitch, giving a global audience a front row seat to the action. But this event wasn't just about competition, it was a statement. Samsung wanted to prove that the Galaxy S25 Ultra is not just another smartphone. It's a device built for high-performance gaming, and they had the specs to back it up. The Galaxy S25 Ultra runs on Qualcomm's most advanced chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Elite, making it one of the fastest smartphones on the market. But power isn't just about raw processing speed. Samsung also introduced a 40% larger vapor chamber, which means significantly improved cooling. This ensures that even during long gaming sessions, the device stays cool and maintains peak performance without lag. Call of Duty Mobile is known for pushing hardware to its limits. It's one of the most demanding mobile games, requiring both a powerful processor and excellent graphics optimization. Thanks to the Vulkan optimization and the capabilities of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, the Galaxy S25 Ultra delivered a smooth gaming experience with console-level visuals. Every detail, from the realistic environments to the fast-paced action, was displayed with stunning clarity. One of the biggest challenges for mobile gamers is maintaining consistent frame rates during intense gameplay. Lag or overheating can make the difference between victory and defeat. But at this tournament, the Galaxy S25 Ultra performed flawlessly, showing no signs of slowdowns even under the pressure of competitive play. Samsung didn't stop at just showcasing the phone's performance. They also set up a hands-on experience at the venue, allowing fans to try out the Galaxy S25 Ultra for themselves. Attendees got to experience firsthand how smooth the gameplay felt, how responsive the controls were, and just how immersive mobile gaming can be on a device this powerful. This event raised an interesting question. Can smartphones like the Galaxy S25 Ultra replace traditional game consoles? With hardware getting more advanced each year and mobile games becoming more sophisticated, the gap between mobile and console gaming is shrinking. The ability to play high-quality games on a device that fits in your pocket is something that was unimaginable a few years ago. Of course, there are still some differences. Consoles and gaming PCs offer dedicated hardware with